and welcome back to KD's Business Tips. Michael Lepie here to talk to you about the basics of corporate financial management. Now, we've done some other videos on this, and we do run a remote CFO service, so we deal a lot with corporate financial management. But really, it's an essential part of maintaining and running your business is your financial department. And if your financial department is running efficiently, effectively, then most likely you're profiting and doing quite well. If it's not running efficiently and effectively, most likely you're struggling in your finances. Here's some basic information that's important about corporate financial management. So corporate financial management really involves planning, organizing, and governing the activities of the company's finances, right? And his goal is to maximize profits and growth, right? Using financial management tools, systems, procedures, and so forth. Now, the importance of corporate financial management, I've mentioned already, it's crucial, really. It's crucial at the end of the day to your success, because if you're wasting money and things aren't getting done and you're not looking at your reports and you don't know you're losing money and so forth, you are going to be in trouble. Proper financial management will actually help you succeed by allowing you to make better business decisions, because if you're on top of your monies, you know what's going on, you get regular reporting, you see what you need to change and what you need to adjust, and you will make better decisions from a management perspective. It will also help you to control the finances and stay on top of what's important and manage the cash flow, because cash flow is what is extremely important in the company's finances on a regular basis. Now, here are some activities that are involved in corporate financial management. Financial reporting, which we mentioned, right? Making sure which financial reports we need and when, right? And the process around those. The bookkeeping and the accounting, is it being done regularly? Because we can't get the financial reporting without it, obviously. And the actual cash flow management. Are we collecting receivables? Are we paying the bills? Are we maximizing the terms? Are we gaining cash flow? And are we in the positive cash flow? It really covers a vast number of other tasks and activities, which we're not going to get into. This is a very short video, but the goal is to help the business run smoothly, because the finances, the financial department of a company, the finances of a company determines a lot of times whether the company's running smooth or not. A lot of times. Proper implementation of effective financial management tools and systems will help establish a solid foundation for the business to grow and succeed. Again, we do have a product and a service that we can come in and help you with your financial department if this is something you're struggling with. And if you got any questions, please post in the comments below. We'll look forward to seeing you back here again on KD's Business Tips.